Tonkee China is a leading supplier of high-quality hydraulic parts for various applications, including K3v63, K3v112D, K3v140, and K3v180 cylinder blocks, piston shoes, supports, cradles, and more. These hydraulic parts are designed to provide exceptional performance and durability, ensuring that your equipment runs smoothly and efficiently. At Tonkee China, we use only the finest materials and manufacturing techniques to produce our hydraulic parts, ensuring that they meet or exceed OEM specifications. If you're looking for K3v63, K3v112D, K3v140, or K3v180 hydraulic parts, Tonkee China is your one-stop shop. Contact us today to learn more about our products and services. www.partstick.com
For the power piece, I want to show my brand, my own brand, KPMP.